Welcome to ProServe 2012 training videos. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to set up a blank customer account so that you can create blank work order tickets to take out in the field with you, and then be able to fill in the blanks, come back to the office, and actually pull in a real customer and attach it to that work order to complete it. So if we take a look at Kenny B's tips here on the web support page, it's right here is where the instructions are on how to do this. So I'm just going to walk you through it, and we'll do it together. So first thing I'm going to do is select Global Customer File Maintenance. I'm going to select Add. I'm going to type in a blank into that customer name. I'm also going to type in a blank into the address field. Now it's very important that you type it in lowercase a, uppercase B, blank. It's important. Now I really wouldn't want it in my contacts, so I'm just going to remove it. I don't really want to jump into the zip code or move any further there. Just move to your class. It needs a class. It needs something here. Well, it really probably don't need anything there, but we definitely got to have a terms. Everything else can be turned on or off based on your features. I can turn this stuff off. It's not okay. Then I can leave that as is, so we're good on that. I could type in a note here, something that kind of tells you what this is. I'm going to apply. I'm going to go right back into edit because I need to set up a service account. Okay, that's important. I need it. All I have to do here is take that out. I do have to put a route in, or I can't get the, I won't be able to get the apply button if I don't do a route. Everything else I'm going to leave as is, okay? I'm going to turn that off. And I'm not going to set it up. I could recur it so that it would automatically create me, several, blank tickets a month. I could come in here and tell the program, well, it's twice a month. Or I could even come in and say, we'll do it on a weekly basis. And we'll do it every once a week. That's telling me I need to set this to Monday. And so we're good on that. So this would create 4 tickets per month. Okay, or really 5 sometimes. So this is a way that you can automatically recur blank tickets, so you don't have to worry about creating them manually. But in this case, I'm just going to set it to no recur because I'm going to manually create my blank tickets on an as-need basis. So I'm going to come back here. I'm going to click Apply, Save All, and move out. Now I've already added one previously in trying to do another video. So I've actually got 2 of them, which is okay. The point is that now I can go into order entry. I can create a new order, and I can create on that blank account. Actually, that's the one I just created. So I'm going to just double click this guy and create a blank ticket. Now I can set up, I can remove the route if I need to on this. I can remove the technician. I can do this, and this doesn't matter because it's not going to print this on the ticket anyway. This schedule, okay, it's going to print that on there, but I don't need that either. So now I've pretty much got it set up for just a blank ticket. And so I'm going to click Apply, Save All. And now I've got a blank ticket that I can print. And it really doesn't print anything. It prints that account number, but that's okay. you can just scratch through that and do whatever you got to do. So you've got a ticket, a blank ticket that you can take out on the field with you. And depending on how often you just want to, that's why you would want to maybe recur it so that you could create 4 or 5 of these things a month, so you can have blank tickets every month and just use them as you need them. But in this case, I'm manually creating it. So then I print that ticket and I work it out. And so the point is, if I use that blank ticket out in the field, I can find that ticket by entering the number. But in this case, I'm just going to search by name and find it. That was the number, 935. Now I can come in and click edit and actually now select a true customer that I may have, that I actually did the work for, and then I can set this and come on across, and now I can change whatever it was I did, one-time pest or whatever it was. So now I'm putting it on a route, I'm assigning a technician. So now this work order 935A has now become a real true work order that's now Jacob Rose, and we're going to go ahead and get it in our system so that we can post it and or whatever we're going to do with it. So that's pretty much how you're able to utilize a blank customer in the system. So now you can see now that this same ticket, 935A, is now Jacob Rose. Okay, so that's how you can create blank tickets in the system so that you can print them out and use them out in the field. Well, that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.